Somehow, somewhere, some way, you just know somebody out there has to see. The world's tore up from the floor up. Man, I think it shows. There ain't much living left for you and me. Please don't let my song steer you wrong, make you cry. Intention's not to make you sad and blue. I'm just looking for a reason or an answer as to why the ones behind the wheel do what they do. So raise the flag, cut the sails, we're going down. This old world has become a raging sea. Tie the line, let that old fall so sound. Soon all we know will no longer be. Bloody rivers flowing from a war that's waged so long. The shoreline getting closer by the day. This old life just won't go right if everybody's living wrong. Sad but true, it's always been this way. Sailors of the Lord, turn your collar to the wind. Hunker down for she will surely blow. So hard to see you rising through all of this cold, dark sin. To the wind and on to heaven we must row. So raise the flag, cut the sails, we're going down. This old world has become a raging sea. Tie the line, let that old fall whistle sound. Soon all we know will no longer be. Soon all we know will